Documents from a law firm were leaked to an international consortium of journalists and media companies that purport to show how politicians and wealthy people across the world keep money in offshore tax havens. Panama's top prosecutor said it launched an investigation into the firm. The Panamanian law firm, Mossack Fonseca, denies wrongdoing. The International Consortium of Investigative Journalists names 140 high-profile figures, executives, and celebrities in the report. It describes how the following 8 relatives of current and former members of China's Politburo Standing Committee, the party's top decision-making body, are connected to the following offshore companies. 1 is Deng Jiagui, the brother-in-law of President Xi Jinping. Deng is a real estate developer. It says he acquired one offshore firm in 2004, which was later dissolved in 2007. The report says he became the sole director and shareholder of 2 British Virgin Islands-based companies in 2009, but they were inactive by the time Mr. Xi took power in late 2012. Li Xiaoling is the daughter of former Premier Li Peng. She and her husband were ultimate owners of a Liechtenstein-based foundation that was a sole shareholder of a BVI incorporated company in 1994, the report says. Zheng Qinghuai is the brother of Zheng Qinghong, the former vice president of China. He was a director of China Cultural Exchange Association that was incorporated first in the Pacific island country of Niue and then Samoa, the report says. Hu Dehua, the son of Hu Yaobang, former head of the Chinese Communist Party, incorporated a British Virgin Islands company in 2003 as For Talent International Holdings, the report says. It also says Hu registered the company using his home address, where his father lived during his time as party chief. Even Mao Zedong's family is involved. The report says the grandson-in-law of the revered leader of the Communist Revolution, Chen Dongshen, incorporated a BVI firm in 2011 and is the sole director and shareholder. Chen is head of a life insurance company and an art auction house. There's Jasmine Li, the granddaughter of a recently retired member of the Communist Party leadership, Jia Qingling. The report also mentions relatives of current members of the leadership, the son-in-law of Chinese Vice Premier Zhang Gaoli, and the daughter-in-law of Liu Yunsan. The ICIJ didn't present any evidence of wrongdoing by any of the China-related individuals or companies it identified. Having an offshore company generally is legal, but in certain cases, middlemen can protect their clients by hiding wealth or suspicious transactions in tax havens. It wasn't possible to reach any of those identified for comment. Information in the series of reports which have began publishing this week hasn't been independently verified by the Wall Street Journal.